Welcome to the official TBE video guide series. If you're looking to become a part of the TBE community, or if you're already with us but want to deepen your understanding, you're in the right place. This series will take you through everything you need to know about TBE, from our innovative products and their features to the incredible benefits they offer, and finally, how you can easily get started and make the most of our platform. In these videos, we'll detail the what, an in-depth look at our diverse product range, their functionalities, and how they're revolutionizing their blockchain space. We'll explore the why, the vision behind TBE, the benefits for you as a user or distributor, and our collective goals that drive us towards a prosperous future. And we won't leave out the how, providing you with clear step-by-step instructions on how to engage with our platform, making your experience seamless and rewarding. We understand that you bring your unique experience to our community. That's why this guide isn't just about conveying information. It's about aligning our collective understanding of TBE's mission and values. Accuracy and integrity in how we present and promote TBE are crucial. We're here to ensure that knowledge you share is as solid and reliable. Welcome to the blockchain era.